hear it again.
I heard something.
Music. I could hear music again.
Oh, excuse me.
Just a couple of chords.
Yeah, I heard that. I wouldn't be able to say what it was though. What sort of music?
I'm not even sure whether it's actually music or woman singing.
Yeah. Oh God, it's scary.
Was that a growl then?
I heard it. Dave, did you hear that growl?
Are you having fun, Mr. Hart? Are you having a good time chatting to us?
What's that?
Changing.
Dave?
Dave.
That's all right.
It's changing.
The energy's changing.
Yeah.
Ben, is that?
What was that?
Sounded like it.
Sounded like Ben.
Ben to me.
Ben.
Woman's voice.
Dave, no Ben.
Can you say all of our names?
Do you want that?
Okay. No one should biscuit.
No, I'm good, thank you.
Very faintly, but there's music playing.
If there are any spirit people with her, Andrew, I got that on camera.
Oh.
You're on candid camera now, boy.